हेलो स्टूडेंट, तो आज हम बात करेंगे चैप्टर फर्स्ट है कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर। योर एम टू लर्न अबाउट सॉफ्टवेयर एंड टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. So in the past 2 decades, computer have reshaped our lives almost everywhere. Where it is at home, office, school, hospital, there has been a enormous increase in the use of computers. A computer can be defined as an electronic device that perform device operations with the help of an institution to process the data in order to achieve desired result. A computer system is made up of numbers of electronic devices which are connected together. It is made up of both hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. Let's read about software in detail. Software is the set of instructions that makes the computer perform tasks. Software is another term for a computer program. It controls the computer and makes it do usage work. Without software, a computer is useless. Okay. Types of software. Software can be classified into two broad categories: system software and application software. System software, it is the most important component to operate a computer. The operating system is a type of software. System software can be classified into 3 categories as so. लुक एट ईयर 3 कैटेगरी में शो करता है: सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, प्रोग्रामिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक about operating systems. An operating system is the most important software that runs on the computer. It manage a computer's memory, process data, and controls all its software as well as hardware. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. Without an operating system, a computer is type of operating system. Operating system usually come preloaded on any computer you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it is possible to upgrade to even change on operating system. The 3 most common operating system for a personal computer are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, Linux. Other no name are iMac, Unix and DOS. Function of operating system. Operating system perform 3 types of functions: manage computer research, coordinated memory processing, storage and printers, monitor system performance, provide security, startup of the computer, provide user interface. The interface can be character user interface CUI or a graphical user interface GUI. Run application through multitasking, foreground and background application. Programming software, it is the software used by the computer to understand and convert the instructions by the programming language into machine language. Compilers, assemblers, debuggers, interpreters, it's an example of programming software. Utility software are provided as a part of operating system. They are specifically designed to manage the computer hardware. Operating system and application software. Some of the utility software are, look at it, click दिया में देखते हैं. Programming and computer software, founded in 1975, is devoted to provide solutions to problems in all areas of computer science. Operating system, complex technology, software engineering, artificial intelligence. It's backup unity. It is used for keeping the backup files for emergency. Window backup and restore is the default Windows backup unity. Data compression program. It is used to compress large file into a file or of smaller size, so that is occupies less space and is easy to store. WinZips and WinRAR are example of this software. WinZips and WinRAR data corporations programs. Disk defragmenters. The memory of a computer is divided into small blocks. The files are stored in continuous blocks of space. When a file is deleted from the computer, a part of that space becomes free. When a new file is saved on the computer, some part of it is saved on the first available free space in the memory. After some time, the files get stored in various fragments, which slows down the speed of the computers. The disk defragmenter organizes the fragments of files into continuous blocks to improve performance of the computer. Virus scanners, it is used to scan the computer for a virus among files and folders. It scans the disk each time you insert it into computer or whenever the computer is booted. It is also called antivirus software. उसे एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि हिल नॉर्टन इट्स आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. Fragmented disk, defragmented disk, disk defragmenters. Okay. Virus, quick heal, not Clickpedia में देखते हैं. Booting is process that loads the operating system and prepares the system for us. Application software, it is a program designed to help a user perform specific task. It is designed to be used by and users. MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint are application software. Generally people refer to application software as software. Application software can be broadly classified into two categories: application software, general purpose software, word processors, presentation software, desktop publishing DTP software, multimedia processor, customized software, spreadsheets, database management systems, DBMS, image processing software. General purpose software. General purpose software are those which have not been developed according to the needs of particular organizations or particular industries. It can be used for both comical and non-comical or purpose. The general purpose software can future be classified into 7 different groups on the basis of their use. There are word processors, are used to create, edit and format text documents. They are commonly used in a business, school and at home. Microsoft Word is the most commonly used word processor. Some other word processors are WordPerfect, Writer and Keyboard. Spreadsheet software or spreadsheets are used to calculate, compare and analyze data and use it to prepare different reports. It is also used to create graphs and charts based on the data stored in the spreadsheet. Some commonly used spreadsheet program included Microsoft Excel, Lotus 1, 2, 3, Slack. It's look at Microsoft Word. वेट, हाँ, अब देखिए आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो डॉक्यूमेंट्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. ओके, Microsoft Excel. Presentations graphic software are used to create presentations which include sound, music, video, charts, and animations. Presentations are used by salesperson, managers, teachers, students. It's some commonly used presentation graphic software are used Microsoft PowerPoint, Corel presentations, Impress. It's graphic are future divided into two parts, drawing and painting software and computer aided design CAD. Drawing and painting software allows freehand drawing and coloring. Some commonly used drawing and painting software are Paint, Draw. It's computer aided design CAD is used to help design of a product. CAD software is used by engineers, architects, and designers to produce delighted design plans and technical drawings. Microsoft PowerPoint and Paint. Look at here. प्रेजेंटेशंस माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावरपॉइंट में आप कोई भी प्रेजेंटेशंस कर सकते हो. एंड पेंट देयर database management system DBMS software are used to create a store, modified and sort data stored in a database. A database is an organized collection of related data. The DBMS is used to carry the database and find any information easily. It is also used to generate reports on the basis of data stored in it. Some commonly used DBMS included Microsoft Access or CLAD, Microsoft SQL Server Base. Its desktop publishing DTP software are used to create newspaper, magazines, brochures, still advertisement. They are commonly used to create files that create a lot of graphic. Some commonly used DTP software included CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, QuickPress, and Microsoft Publishers. Microsoft Access, Adobe InDesign. Multimedia software are used to combine the text with graphics, videos, and sound. Therefore, it is called a multimedia software. Some commonly used multimedia software are Windows Movies Maker, Picture, Inkscape, MediaMonkey. It's customized software. Customized software are those which have been developed according to the needs of particular organizations or an individual. Such software are also tailor-made software.